Welcome back, but before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will start doing giveaways for y'all. Now, let's get into the video. So today, we're going to talk about the OnePlus Nord, but before we can do that, we'll have to know what OnePlus is. OnePlus is a company that produces smartphones, accessories from China. OnePlus creates phone cases, power and cable, audio like headphones, bundles, and gear. There are three main lenses on the back of the OnePlus Nord. There's the standard zoom camera, which is a 48 megapixel Sony sensor, the same one found on the OnePlus 8, in fact. The screen is a 6.44 inch OLED display. The rear cameras, one of them is a wide angle 48 megapixel. The second one is ultra 8 megapixel lens. The third one is a 2 megapixel macro camera. And the fourth one is a 5 megapixel depth sensor. The memory of the OnePlus Nord is 8 gigs to 12 gig RAM. Storage is 128 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes. And the fast charging is Warp Charged 30T. The disadvantages of OnePlus Nord is there is no memory card slot. You cannot remove the battery, and there isn't a headphone jack. But don't let the disadvantages roll you over, because there is a lot of advantages with this phone. So if you like this topic, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.